Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another guided breathing journey. In this 8-minute session, we'll be engaging in 4 rounds of breathing, concluding each round with a short breath retention. We'll be using a rhythmic and moderately fast breathing style, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. This is what it sounds like. And if you feel like it, you can move or shake your body to the rhythm of the breath. This practice is all about loosening your body and waking up your energy for the day. Alright, now that we are prepared, make sure you're sitting with an upright posture, and we'll start in 3, 2, 1. Focus on your breath. Just a little bit longer until we reach our first deep inhale. Let's take a deep inhale. Hold it at the top. Now, release fully and hold it at the bottom for the first breath retention. Almost there, just a little bit longer. Let's take a deep inhale through the nose. Hold it at the top. Enjoy the fresh energy. And release fully. Nice one. Let's get back into the second round, starting in 3, 2, 1. Full inhales and relaxed exhales. How do you feel about your day? Feeling gratitude for everything you have in your life. Okay, almost there. Let's take a deep inhale. Hold it at the top. You can squeeze your pelvic floor and tuck your abdominals in, pulling the energy up. And now releasing with a sigh. Beautiful. Hold your breath. Keep your awareness inside. Okay, let's take a nice inhale through the nose. Hold it at the top. And exhale with a sigh. Alright, third round, starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's get this energy pumping. I can see this day is going to be beautiful. Starting off like this. Keep the breath flowing. Almost at the end of this round. Okay, let's take a deep inhale. Hold it at the top. Squeeze your pelvic floor, tuck your abdominals in. release the locks and exhale with a sigh. And hold it here for this breath retention. Okay, let's take a nice inhale through the nose. Hold it at the top. Enjoy the fresh energy. And once again, exhale with a sigh. Nice work. Let's start the final round in 3, 2, 1. Be fully committed for this round. Deep inhales, relaxed exhales. Connect to your inner energy source. Almost at the end. Okay, let's take a deep inhale. Hold at the top. And fully let go with a big sigh. This is the final breath retention. Okay, let's take a deep inhale. Hold it at the top. And release with a beautiful sigh. Nice work, my friend. You can stay here, enjoy this new energy state you've just created. And when this journey ends, take this new energy and bring it out into the world. Stay calm, stay conscious. Peace.